explore the mysterious disappearance of the USS Cyclops, the first American warship to vanish in the Bermuda Triangle, and uncover the theories behind its tragic fate. The USS Cyclops was a 2-foot-long collier ship built in 1910 to supply coal to the U.S. Navy. On the 28th of January 1918, the USS Cyclops departed from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, bound for Baltimore, Maryland. After passing through the Bermuda Triangle, all communication with the ship ceased, and it vanished without a distress call. No wreckage or debris from the USS Cyclops has ever been found, despite extensive searches by the U.S. Navy and other vessels. Theories about the ship's disappearance include storms, mutiny, and even a German U-boat attack, but none have been proven. Master the art of speaking with a French accent like a native. A French accent is characterized by a distinctive sing-song intonation with a rising pitch at the end of sentences. French vowel sounds are pure and precise, with no diphthongs, unlike in English, which has many diphthongs. The French sound is pronounced in the back of the throat, with a guttural, almost silent pronunciation. In French, the U sound is pronounced like a soft oo, with pursed lips and a high tongue position. French speakers tend to pronounce words with a softer, more relaxed articulation, with less emphasis on consonants. Mastering the French accent requires practice with native speakers, audio recordings, and watching French media regularly. Explore the short-lived but legendary Pony Express, which delivered mail across the United States in just 10 days, from April 1860 to October 1861. The Pony Express was founded by William H. Russell, Alexander Majors, and William B. Waddell in 1860. Riders like Buffalo Bill Cody and Wild Bill Hickok carried mailbags weighing up to 20 pounds each. The Pony Express route spanned 1,966 miles from Joseph, Missouri, to Sacramento, California. Riders changed horses every 10 to 15 miles, using over 400 horses to complete the journey. The Pony Express delivered nearly 35,000 pieces of mail in just 18 months of operation. The Pony Express ceased operations on the 26th of October 1861 due to the completion of the transcontinental telegraph. Explore the concept of vertical farming with companies like SkyOne Farms, which uses AI and hydroponics to grow crops in urban areas, reducing transportation costs and increasing food security, and learn how this innovation could change the way we grow and consume food in cities. Vertical farming is revolutionizing urban agriculture with innovative methods like hydroponics and AI-powered crop management. Companies like SkyOne Farms are leading the way in vertical farming, growing crops in urban areas. By growing crops locally, vertical farming reduces transportation costs and carbon emissions significantly. Vertical farms use hydroponics, a method that grows plants in nutrient-rich solutions rather than soil. The Soviet submarine S-13, led by Commander Alexander Marinesko, torpedoed the Wilhelm Gustloff, sinking it in the Baltic Sea. The Wilhelm Gustloff was a German passenger liner converted into a hospital ship during World War II. On the 30th of January 1945, Soviet submarine S-13, led by Commander Alexander Marinesko, stalked its prey in the Baltic Sea. The Wilhelm Gustloff was carrying over 10,000 passengers, including wounded soldiers and civilians, when it was torpedoed. The Soviet submarine S-13 fired 3 torpedoes, sinking the Wilhelm Gustloff in just 55 minutes, killing over 9,300 people. The sinking of the Wilhelm Gustloff was one of the deadliest maritime disasters in history, surpassing the Titanic. See the stunning transformation of a 19th-century barn into a modern home, complete with a rooftop garden and stunning views. This 19th-century barn was abandoned for decades before its stunning transformation began. The barn's original wooden beams and structure were preserved to maintain its historic charm. A rooftop garden was added, providing breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. The renovation included installing large windows to flood the interior with natural light. The modern home features a spacious, open-plan living area with high ceilings. The finished project showcases a perfect blend of historic character and modern luxury living. Learn about the latest advancements in zipper technology, including waterproof zippers, like those used in Patagonia's outdoor gear, and smart zippers that can be controlled via smartphone. The first zipper patent was granted in 1851 to Elias Howe, inventor of the sewing machine. Modern zipper technology has evolved to include waterproof zippers used in outdoor gear like Patagonia's products. Waterproof zippers are made with a membrane that prevents water from seeping through the teeth and fabric. Smart zippers have emerged, allowing users to control them via smartphone apps and voice assistants. Some smart zippers can track wear and tear, sending notifications when maintenance is required or replacement is needed. Explore the evolution of styluses, from ancient Greek and Roman writing instruments to modern-day digital styluses used with tablets and smartphones. The earliest known styluses date back to ancient Greece around 500 BCE, made from bronze and bone. The Romans developed styluses with metal tips, allowing for more precise writing on papyrus and wax tablets. In the 19th century, styluses evolved to feature nibs, making them compatible with early fountain pens. The first digital stylus was patented in 1987, designed for use with graphics, tablets, and computers. Modern digital styluses, like the Apple Pencil, use advanced technology like accelerometers and gyroscopes. Today, styluses are used by millions worldwide, from artists and designers to students and professionals. Did you know that the first iPhone, released in 2007, had a lot number of 3512A? The first iPhone, released in 2007, had a lot number of 3512A, revealing its production details. Lot numbers typically consist of a combination of letters and numbers, encoding product information. The first few digits of a lot number often indicate the manufacturing date or batch number. Some lot numbers include a country code, revealing where the product was assembled or manufactured. Decoding lot numbers can help identify counterfeit products or verify authenticity. Lot numbers can also provide valuable information for product recalls, warranties, and maintenance. Uncover the darker side of pink's history, from its ancient symbolism of masculinity to its modern-day marketing manipulation, and why its fluffy reputation is misleading. In ancient Greece and Rome, pink was a symbol of masculinity and power, not femininity. In the 19th century, pink was seen as a strong, bold color, not a soft, delicate one. In the 1940 seconds, manufacturers began marketing pink as a feminine color to boost sales. Today, pink is used in marketing to manipulate consumer emotions and buying habits. Pinkwashing, a marketing tactic, uses pink to create a false sense of social responsibility. The fluffy reputation of pink hides a complex, darker history of cultural manipulation.